Congratulations. What school are you attending?
NOV Stevenson.
You're a bright boy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have 3 children?
Yeah, one for job last one.
Make 20 more.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's only the name Sitseni. Tato Junue de Mamla Malangana Samoa Yola Peltamiai, the Tato Upu. Today's ceremony is testament to a new beginning and direction for all of you who have taken your oaths before Cabinet as citizens of Samoa. It is the affirmation of your allegiance and commitment to serve your newly adopted country with compassion, love, respect, and integrity. As you know, Samoa is a Christian nation which observes the fundamental doctrine of loving your neighbor as you love yourself. Of course, many Christians, and there are about 1 billion of them worldwide, and many also pay lip service to this overriding principle of love. But we do also believe in another cover-up principle, that before you judge others, look into yourself first, whether you follow what you preach. The government and the people of Samoa congratulate you all and welcome you as citizens of Samoa. Our citizenship speaks volumes of our identity, inheritance, and authority as Samoans. It is our God-given right to live freely and harmoniously on these beautiful islands and to exercise our unique talents, wisdom, and knowledge to contribute to the social and economic well-being of Samoa. Today, you have been given that right, the right that must be treated with the utmost respect and truthfulness. I gathered that the majority of you have qualified for citizenship by virtue of your marriage to Samoan citizens and by virtue of their permanent residency status. Many of you have patiently waited for years to be qualified for citizenship in accordance with the requirements of our laws. Central to the assessment of your eligibility is solid evidence of your marriage and family stability over these many years, and good health and character, and your firm understanding of the responsibilities of being citizens of Samoa. I thank you for the years of your service to Samoa in different sectors of our economy, and I would encourage you to continue to contribute positively to our country's growth and prosperity. Despite the daunting global challenges we are now contemplating due to the COVID-19, we shall continue to press on and to come in one accord to develop and protect Samoa. Central to our response is acceptance of our shared responsibility. We must respond collectively as a country to address these global challenges, and we should not dwell on differences and division. Unity is our strength and the foundation of our culture and identity. Our collective responsibility is to ensure that our children and future generations will live comfortably and are taught to be responsible custodians of our scarce resources. Government has formulated key strategies and actions to enhance our resilience against disasters, strengthen our national security responses, manage alarming rates of NCDs, and to generate new ventures and investments to provide more employment for our people. More pressing now is the careful management of our borders from COVID-19. All these commitments call for citizens to take ownership and to work collaboratively for Samoa. The message for you all today is to serve your country with humility, honesty, and commitment. We should neither lose sight of our national duties as Samoans, nor forfeit the confidence of your fellow citizens. As a Christian nation, we declare our dependence on our God, and He will continue to lead this country according to the richness and abundance of His grace. God bless you all. God bless Samoa.